Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by removing the interior trim and exposing the lock now. This gives you immediate access to the mounting screws and latch. Use the appropriate driver, Phillips or 1/4 hex, so you don't strip fasteners. Once the trim is off, tag screws by location and inspect the latch face and strike plate alignment. If the door sags, tighten hinge screws first. Otherwise, you'll reinstall a perfectly aligned lock into a misaligned door and waste time. You now remove the knob or cylinder and examine the internal parts closely so you know what failed. Look for a sheared spindle, a worn tailpiece, or broken retaining clips. These tell you whether to replace the core or a single component. Once opened, clean old grease and debris. This reveals whether tumblers stick from dirt or mechanical wear. If you measure clearance issues like 1/8 to 1/4 inch misalignment, plan to shim the strike plate or adjust the latch position. You put the lock back together carefully, tightening screws incrementally so the lock stays square and does not bind. Test the key, knob, and deadbolt several times while the door is closed. This confirms the strike and bolt align. If it binds, lubricate with a graphite or silicone product, then file the strike opening or add a thin shim behind the plate. If problems persist, replace the latch assembly. This single swap resolves most remaining functional failures, and you'll have a reliable lock again.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.